Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We got a brand new Lance 2020. Model number is an 855S. Come on in, let's take a peek at it. All right, nice big grab handle going up. Okay, so walk in here. This is your slide out right here. You got drawers under both bench seats. This, of course, makes into a bed. You got a little compartment that drops down here for a little bunk if you want to have a bunk. You got your Norcold refrigerator, freezer right there. Here's your controls for your temperature controls for heaters. Above us you got air conditioning, speakers, LED lights. You got a fantastic fan. You got a skylight right here where it can close off if you want. Walk in, you got your shower here. Right there, bathroom, shower combination right there. Nice big area. You got storage cabinets here, little closet, little drawers right there. So these have the soft door closes on them now. Nice. So you got a 3-burner with an oven, fan hood, microwave right here, right there. More storage above us here. Here's your control panel. Generator's got a built-in generator, so here's where you start your generator. You got your sink, more storage underneath right here. Oh, where's the, right there on the side. So you got a nice big step going up here for getting into the bed with a foot pedal to get up in there a little easier. You got your TV area, your stereo system, a little storage spot on the side there. You got a drawer in the front where you can put a CPAP machine with more storage on that side, little closet. You got a skylight above you that you can close off. So a lot of room. The slide makes a big difference on these little campers. So it opens it up pretty roomy in here. Let's go outside and take a peek outside. On the outside, here's your little generator. So the ladder folds down, so it folds up like this so you can get into the generator access. But here you got your big grab handle going in. Actually, so when you open up the door, here's your control panel right here for your lights and stuff, so you can reach it right in when you get into your camper. So that's nice. You got keyless entry, so you can lock it with the key, or you got keyless entry. It's wired for a backup camera. You got your electric jacks on all 4 corners, so they're easy to do. You got an awning that comes out the back here, so you can put a step here on the bottom. This little handle to hold the door open. So access to your plumbing in there. Here's an outdoor shower right there. Water heater, plug in for power. Here's your propane tanks inside here. You got 2 propane tanks right there. Light up on the top up here for outdoor. You actually have a rack up on top, you know, if you want to haul canoe or something. So you got your drip rails. So if it's pouring down rain, you know, coming in, so the drip rails actually put the water, instead of back of your truck, put it off to the side, which is kind of cool. So you got the fiberglass cap right there, so that kind of helps improve some, you know, with the aerodynamics and protects the front. You got the new graphics right here on the side. You can see that. Here's actually a little exterior, you know, like this is connected to your battery inside, so you can charge something off of it or hook up some cables. More storage under here, storage under there. You got the frameless windows. You've got a cover for the awning out there for going over the topper. And then on the top, actually, they have a solar panel up on the side there. You can see the solar panel. So already installed to charge the batteries. So if you're looking for campers, toy haulers, fifth wheels, or trailers, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.